I just wanna ride with you downtown. I just wanna ride.
Parking lot pants, Too Fat collabo. T-Dot, show 'em what we got.
Hey man, Alicia Perry, I need one of them ride or die bitches, you know?
I need a gangsta boo. This one's for the clubs.
Blast the shit out your booming sister. Put it on cruise control, see how many girls lose control. Check it. You wanna ride with me? I wanna roll with you, stroll with you. I wanna feel the cold with you, catch a cold with you. Slick chick, I was dressed well. Your ass swell, I match well with your SL. Well, as well as our topics are relevant. Intelligent, I never seen you inelegant. You never arrogant. You loving fast cars. You loving hip hop music with the fast bars. Hop in a two-seater. I let you feel the heater. I let you play the DJ while I play the deaf-meter. I'm definite, I need her. She like my sidekick. She tellin' what coming next. She like my sidekick. Right pick, right chick with the right kicks. Drop top down, sunburn or white tits. You let your friends see, tellin' you loving me. Tell them a high speed joy rides a loving me.
Yeah, I know you loving this, right? Come on now, come on now. Cartello, hello. Ha. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. Damn right, I got a gangsta boo. When shit goes down, know how to keep her cool. When my peeps come around, she don't act the fool. No unnecessary shit, she my accessory chick. She my necessary trick, bitch. It's a trip how this chick got me floored. Money clips in her hips, top abroad. You know her whip steady sitting on chrome. Rear view mirror, pimp dice is hanging on. Pink ISIS round her arms, license to carry arms. She my ISIS, give my life my baby arms. When I'm home, riding home, she keeps it mellow. She bring my hair when I wanna look like Carmelo. She know my favorite color, red, green, and yellow. And when I holla Cartello, she say hello, well. I swim the 7 oceans like the Suez Canal, boo, you got me, oh yeah.